If you are packing for your next flight, then you must know the TSA 311 rule to carry all your liquids and other toiletries intact along with you. Hi, today you are here with me at Peppy Sage. If you are new at my channel, then please subscribe to my channel because here we talk about makeup, fashion and a lot of travel tips. So today we are going to talk about 311 rule that is applicable from TSA if you are planning for any flight travel and you have some liquids that you want to carry with you. So we will talk about what are the liquids that are considered as liquid by TSA. Along with that, what are the rules, how much liquid you can carry with you in your hand luggage and much more. So to know all about these things, stick on to this video till the end. And I am sure that from now on you never have to throw anything at the airport. So TSA, which means Transportation Security Administration, they have put up this rule called 311 for all the liquids that you carry in your carry-on baggage. So the 3 represents here 3.4 ounces of liquid. Whatever liquid you are going to take along with you, it should not be more than a packaging of 100 ml. 3.4 ounces, when we convert it into ml, it is 100 ml. So this is a hair serum with me, and this one is of 97 ml. So you can carry any liquid which is up to 100 ml. But here is a question which I frequently get to hear, and today I'm going to clarify that for you. As I told you that we can carry any liquid which is of 100 ml or less, but I get a question that if I have a bigger bottle which is like 250 ml, 150 ml or anything more than 100 ml and it is almost empty and I have only little bit of product which might be less than 100 ml. But if you take these kind of packaging where the bottle or the container it is mentioned over there that it is over 100 ml, you have to throw that thing at the airport if you are packing it in your carry-on. So it's not about the quantity of product that is left in your bottle, but it is about the packaging itself. On the packaging, it must be clearly mentioned about the weight of that particular thing you are carrying, and by that the officers at the airport will decide whether it should go with you or it should be thrown away at the airport. Now in case you have something very important and big that you need to carry with you, then you have to put it in your check-in baggage. Check-in baggage doesn't have any 311 rule, so you need not worry about it, but make sure that you pack it well because during the transit there could be any kind of incident where these things can break and the liquid from inside can ruin your luggage. So it is always advisable that if you are putting any liquid in your check-in baggage, then put it in any waterproof packaging so that even if it leaks, it does not damage your other luggages. If you have any question regarding this 3.4 ounces or 100 ml, let me know in the comment section below. I will also link down in the description box about the clear bags which are TSA approved that you can use to pack your carry-on liquids, as well as I will also link some of the products which are very useful to organize your check-in baggage as well. So you can find the links in the description box below in case you want. Next we come to, after we have done 3, now we come to 1. The 1 means it should be in 1 quarter size bag. All the liquids that you are carrying with you in your hand luggage, it must be put in a clear bag which could be opened and sealed numerous times. So if you have liquids which are like in one or every compartment of your hand luggage, that is not going to happen. You might have to throw it, or it might cause a lot of problem during transit. So it is recommended that you have a clear bag which is transparent and which is like see-through, and it has a zip so that you can open it and lock it numerous times. So you have to have a quarter size bag for that, and I have already told you, you can find this in the description box below. So in this quarter size bag, you have to fit all the liquids that you are planning to carry in your carry-on baggage. And the last one represent that only one person is allowed to carry one such clear bag. So now the 311 rule is clear to all of us. So what are liquids according to TSA? TSA considers liquids as liquids, gels are also considered and as liquids, aerosols and much more. I will explain to you in categories that what are considered as liquids by TSA. As I have shown you that I had a hair serum with me, this is completely in a liquid form. We can spray this one on our palm and then put it on our hair. So this is in a completely liquid form. This will be definitely considered as liquid. by the TSA. Here is a body deodorant which is in liquid form, but this one is more of a gel formula than liquid, but still this will be considered as a liquid by TSA. So you can purchase these kind of bottles for filling up your conditioner, shampoo, even moisturizers and creams. So these comes very handy, and these small packaging allow you to carry more of the things that you need for your vacation or for your next tour. You can see it is already empty, and this is how I love to pack my moisturizers in small little bottles. Next, here is a nail polish which is also considered as liquid by TSA. Your toothpaste is also of a gel formula, and this is a liquid considered by TSA. Now these are something which you normally don't think it's liquid. This is a mascara and it is of a gel formula, but this will be also considered as liquid. Here I have a liquid lipstick. If you are carrying your most favorite liquid lipstick with you and you don't want any kind of problem with it, then put it in a clear bag. If you are going for a vacation, you must be carrying a sunscreen, and this is also considered as liquid, so it needs to go inside this pouch. Normal stuff like cheek tints, which is like a cream formula. Here I have a foundation which is again a cream formula, and this is an eyeliner pencil which has liquid in it, and this will be also considered as liquid. So now you have an idea about what are the things you need to carry with you when you are carrying liquids, how should you carry it, and how to pack it. Make sure to put this liquid bag at the top of your carry-on baggage, because at times it might happen that at the airport you might be asked to take out that bag of liquids, and you must be able to take it out without any hassle, because you can understand if you keep on finding something at the airport, it could be really messy, and we want to avoid all of this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further question, feel free to write to me in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.